Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Rizaldi the Artisan, and we're here to make something, a toy spider out of, yes, zip tie. So, all right, so let's start this. Okay, what you need, the tools you need are cutters, sharp ones, or even like nail clippers. Lighter, maybe you don't need that, in a small plier, pair of pliers, and of course zip ties. So this is just a size of a 100 mil, that's the length, and the size is 2.5. So we start doing that. Okay, to make something like this, a basic spider, you need 19 pieces of this 100 mil zip ties. So first you need to do a loop like this, but don't push it all the way, just as long as it starts to lock, leave it there. All right, it's locking this way, and then put the legs lying down like this. See the lock lying on the bottom. So you need 16 of this. One. So we have 16. All right, now as you notice, the head is actually the other way around. Okay, so first find the middle width, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. All right, and then instead of from the below, you go from the top. All right, like this. That's the head. All right, let's move in more to the light. Okay, in order not to get confused, let's cut that so we know that's the head, and we'll deal with that later. Okay, and now we have this shape. And then we're gonna get another zip tie to go in between. All right, so we count 1 2 3 4. That's 1 2 3 4. So we go this way. Do it, tie it any way you want it. So make sure 4 on each side. All right, double check 4 4. Okay, so I'm gonna lock this now. Lock them tight. Here we go. You see? Lock it tight. All right. Now I'm beginning to have that shape. Okay. We do a final tightening later because there's still some loose stuff here. All right. If you have a gentle fingers like me, you can use pliers to tighten it. Okay. There you go. Now you can see, maybe tighten up each leg. Tight. Ooh, jumping already. All right, and the other legs. This is the basic spider, and of course you can be creative. And now get your clippers cut those, the tail area, not the legs. Make sure you're not cutting the legs. All right, first cut the legs. Don't cut this tail because you might pull it again. Cut as close as you can the locking part. Yeah. That's it. Now let's see if we can tighten this now. Oh, they're jumping. You don't need that anymore. All right, so you have this. All right. Oh, what's this? Yeah, in the locking one near the belly, you can cut that off. Now you have this shape. Okay, so we have to bend the legs now. Okay, so what you do first, it goes up. Everything goes up. All the legs goes up. Just with your finger. Bending it, bending it, bending it, bending it. Now it's all going up. And then with the pliers, you can bend somewhere here. If you want to make it more pronounced, you can go like this, okay? And then the others. You got to start closer to it. You want to give them on the legs. And on the side. That's the there. Alright. And then maybe the front, actually it's nicer when it's kind of near here. Yeah. And the rest, you can close it. That's it. Push it down, use the fire stick. You can open out the condensed both rows. Okay. Nice. Okay. So now we're gonna knead this. Now let's do the mouth. Cut very close for the mouth, and I think it's got a, what do you call it, fang or jaw. And just do like a V cut. If it's too small, just cut in the middle. I changed glasses so I can see. That's it. And then play around with it. Adjust the legs. And that's it. That's it. Wow. Creepy crawlies. And then of course, if you can even change the style of it. There's another basic one here with a bigger head. And some spider have longer tail. This is just an experiment, so there's no limit. And there's a redback spider with the red zip ties there. So anything goes. And then there's another one here. See? And that's the one that fights, the funnel web spider. Yeah, like that. So, and I guess that's it. So, thank you very much for joining me making this spider out of zip ties. Please like it.